Good morning. I'm out here fixing to conduct the annual Audubon Christmas bird count for the western portion of Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. The lake's big enough to have two portions, east and a west. We're doing the west portion today. I'm out here by myself on the north side of the lake. I'm going to conduct the survey. So basically, I'm going to be driving around looking for birds, documenting species, and probably walk around some down in the forest areas. We'll catalog all those birds, put all those, my list together with the other compilers, and we'll submit to the annual Christmas bird count. Not sure how exciting this video will be. Probably just going to be some pictures of some birds that I see. You know, the conditions aren't going to be perfect for the great bird photography, but they'll be good enough to post some pictures. So stick with me. I'll be checking in occasionally and throwing some bird pictures in this video. Give you a little background on the National Recreation Area I'll be birding in today. It's a 45,000 acre national recreation area, and it's governed by the National Park Service. 7,000 acres of the park consist of Lake Meredith. The dam was enclosed in 1965, and it's a water supply lake, so water is pumped from the lake to 11 member cities in the Texas Panhandle and High Plains. So right now the lake's pretty low, so we won't be getting into any water areas today, but we'll be working in the back country area. So just a little background on the lake. It's located in the central Texas Panhandle. Now, one thing to remember when you're out birding and you're taking any pictures from a vehicle, when it's cold outside, it's 23 degrees right now, you basically want to turn your heater off or keep it really low, keep your windows down, and you want the temperature inside your vehicle basically the same as that outside. If you have it warm in your vehicle and you start shooting out the window, you're going to get heat distortion, little waves you see out like over the desert, and that will make your photos look fuzzy, and you can't correct those. So just put on warm clothes and roll them windows down, and your photos will turn out a lot better. Conditions right now: winds out of the north 17 miles an hour, 23 degrees, gives us a wind chill factor of 12 degrees. So, haven't seen a bird yet. I think they're hunkered down in the bushes, which is probably where I would be if I was a bird. Well, first two birds I saw, dark-eyed juncos. A little too far off for a good picture. That's the area we're going to be birding mostly. Big canyon. Got a creek running through it, lots of trees. Dropping off down in there. Hopefully we'll be finding quite a few birds. Now, one thing I didn't mention is it's deer season down here on the national park, and I just ran across a elderly gentleman with his grandson out deer hunting, which I really think that's awesome that you know, the grandfather gets out and takes his grandson out. And the grandson said he wanted to be a wildlife biologist, so I thought that was pretty cool. I just met him again, and they said they saw some sparrows up here. We'll go up here and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I only encountered 19 species on this year's count, which is probably due to our region being in a prolonged drought for over 70 days now. So it makes sense that most of the birds I encountered were near a water source. Also, the severe cold spell that hit Texas last year may have impacted many populations in the state. Thank you for watching.